Hello, dear children. Good morning, everyone. I hope you are safe at home in this cold season. Clear? And today we are going to continue the next lesson, lesson number 41, First in Space. So, first in space, remember it. When you listen the word space, what do you see? It is another planet. We are going another planet, right? Another place we are going there. We are going to be away from the earth. So when I asked some of you during the online classes, they said that in the space there will not be gravity. Gravity will not be there. We will fly here and there, right? So dear children, in this lesson, we are going to see many people, achieved people. Clear? So first in space, people remember always one who comes first. Second, third, always people don't remember it. So try to be first always. No, anyway, anything, whatever you do it. Clear? The same pattern, same way we are going to see some people. Space is mysterious. Of course, space is mysterious. Normal people cannot go there. So for that you have to study more and more. When you study more and more, you'll get the idea. You'll have to practice how to go there. So without studying, uneducated people cannot go there because it's very dangerous. You should have practice. You should know. You should know the knowledge about it. You should have the knowledge about it, right? So this space is mysterious. It attracts all of us. Here are a few people who have achieved great heights in the field of astronomy. Astronomy. Here we have many people. They have achieved day and night working, day and night working. They achieved more. So here are some people we are going to see here one by one. So first person is Yuri Gagarin. Yuri Gagarin. After then, USSR was the first man to go into the space. He went into space on 12 April 1961 in a spacecraft called Vostok 1. Vostok 1. So he is the one who went into the space first. So remember, when he goes into the another planet, what he will think. That's not sure that he will come back, but he came back. He went first, successfully. So don't, whatever you do it, please think positively so that you will also achieve, right? So when did he go? He went on 12th April 1961, right? Not more, very recently. Okay. And the next person is Valentina Tereskova. So after then, USSR was the first woman to go into the space. She went into the space June 1963 in a spacecraft called Vostok 6. How many years distance is it? So he went on 61 and she went on 63. 2 years gap. Within 2 years, who went? A girl, a woman. So most of the girls are thinking that girls cannot achieve anything. Of course, dear children, you can achieve. Girls can also achieve equally to the boys. Man, don't ever think that girls cannot achieve. You can achieve more, right? She is an example. She went on June 1963, a spacecraft called Vostok 6. Dear children, remember all these years and the spacecraft name, because all these names are very important for your exam. Clear? Remember all these, read line by line. Going to the next one. So Rakesh Sharma was the first Indian to go to the space in 1984 in a then USSR spacecraft called Soyuz T-11. When did he go? 1984. Maybe you can, by this time your parents must have born. Clear? Your parents know about it, maybe. Clear? He is an Indian. Rakesh Sharma was a Indian, first Indian to go into the space, the year of 1984. Right? The spacecraft called Soyuz T-11. Remember the names, right? And the next person, Kalpana Chawla. Most of us Most of us know about her. Clear? By this time, okay, you were about to born, but your 12th standard students can maybe remember it. Okay, Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian woman to go into the space. She went into the space in 1997, because 1997 in the US space shuttle Columbia. Shuttle Columbia, the spacecraft name. Indian women, I was telling in the beginning, women can also achieve. Example, you can see the example. She can, like her, you also can achieve, right? And the next person, the first man to go step on the moon was Neil Armstrong of the USA. He and Edwin Aldrin stepped on the moon on 21st July 1969. Clear? What happened? They went into the moon. They stepped in. The first man to step on the moon was Neil Armstrong. So people remember mostly Neil Armstrong. Then people, and the second one, Edwin Aldrin. Okay, both of them went on 1969. They stepped in. So they found many things in that moon. So what we do, we see the moon from here. On the earth we see the moon, but these people have achieved. They went into the moon. They stepped on the moon. Remember, we have to work more and more, right? And the next people, so these are the people, and here we shall find out what is the full form of ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. Dear children, if you plan to go to the moon, if you want to achieve this like these people, what is supposed to do? You have to study more, and you have to join in this ISRO. So from this only you can go, you can achieve more like these people. Clear? So what is supposed to do? Plan what is supposed to do, what are you going to achieve in the future, then accordingly you think and achieve. You also can, your photo and your name also can come in the book. Your friends and in future children can study about you, they can read about you. So think in that way and study properly and achieve. Okay, thank you dear children, and be safe.